version of what is called the human washing machine, shown at the 1970 Osaka Expo. It's named the human washing machine of the future. It was developed by Science, a company making showerheads. Our reporter tries out the human washing machine of the future.
Have a good trip.
I'm going in. Water is slowly coming inside now.
Sensors measure heartbeat, and music and video is played according to the user's mood.
The inside of the tub has turned cloudy white. Apparently, tiny bubbles will wash me all the way to my pores.
It uses technology to generate extremely small bubbles, which lift up dirt and impurities to clean the user's entire body. The washing takes 15 minutes.
The hatch will open. Welcome back.
I feel refreshed. The water temperature was just right with relaxing music and video playing. The water flow was comfortable and it felt really good.
See the corporate website for reservations and details.